I like my smoothies nice and thick, but check out, well blended. That's why I love the NutriBullet.
Yeah, this goes out to
It's your girl LaSheaVibez coming into you with another exciting video. This is going to be a very unique and special video for the channel, but I definitely wanted to share. Most recently decided that I was going to start my smoothie challenge again. It's a personal diet that I do for myself that really works for my lifestyle, you know, being a mom and being busy. I've tried all different types of weight loss methods, whether it was just standard dieting, exercise, yoga, and none of those seem to work for me than my smoothie diet that I will do for myself from time to time. Recently, I'll be leaving for my vacation within the next 6 weeks, so I was like, I want to look fabulous in all of my swimsuit cover-up, so I wanted to make sure that I dropped a few pounds. My smoothies has really been a help for me. And the fresh fruit veggie smoothies have worked tremendously for me over the years when I have decided to lose any form of weight. But what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you what I have, how I do it. There's no rhyme or reason. People always come to me and ask me, you know, what to use in your smoothie. Whatever works for you, whatever you love, whatever fresh fruits you love or whatever veggies you love, just take that and blend it, and you know, just get creative with it. As you get very creative with it, you know, as you begin to smoothies and get more comfortable with smoothing and blending different fruits and vegetables that you actually love. This time when I stopped past Sam's, because for my particular challenge, it's going to include a fresh fruit and veggie smoothie for breakfast and also for dinner. I will have a standard lunch, so I'll eat whatever I want for lunch. Of course, it won't be anything crazy, and I'll just drink water, of course, throughout the day. I have my regular lunch and I will drink water throughout the day. I won't do any snacking or anything in my standard, and again, this works tremendously for me. I don't have to do any additional exercise. Of course, I'll walk with it and try to stay as active as possible, but this works for me, and this is something that I will be doing breakfast and lunch for the next 6 weeks. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you what I have. We're going to blend our smoothie up, and then I'm going to do a taste test for you guys. Okay, what I decided to do, since I'm going to be needing excessive fruits, is I went to Sam's where I can actually buy in bulk. So that way I can make enough that will last me for my smoothie for breakfast, and then also my smoothie for dinner. And then I'm sure my son will definitely be wanting to taste them, and my husband as well. So what I grabbed for my veggies is I got the baby spring mix and the baby spinach, so I'll use that. I'm going to be doing the bananas. Got me some bananas. Doing some green kiwi, Bartlett pears. Got me some Granny Smith's apples. I will, you know, mix it up, because of course you can figure fresh fruit smoothies, veggie smoothies, that can get a little boring after time. I do mix them up and add a variety of different things. So I did buy some other fresh fruits and vegetables that I'll actually incorporate, and maybe that'll be for a future video. You let me know below if you would like to see more videos like this. But you can either mix your smoothies with, of course, purified water. I love any type of coconut water in mine. Me personally, I always get just a fresh coconut water. I don't like anything with any pulp or any additional anything else added, just a standard coconut water. And then I'll be using my baby that I've had for a couple years. It was a birthday gift. I'll be using my NutriBullet. You can use a standardized. I used to use a regular blender, but I got the NutriBullet. It blends really well. I did recently order me some additional cups. I got the larger cups and also the cup that I can take with me to go in the morning when I make my smoothie. I can just pack it, take it to work, have that for breakfast, and then at night. So I'll have some additional cups. So, okay guys, now it's time to blend. I'll be using, like I mentioned before, my large cup, because I'm making enough for breakfast and lunch, and I'm sure I'll have to share. Adding in the organic 50/50 baby spring and baby spinach. I'll put that on the bottom. Okay, I'll do maybe about this much. About this much. My mixed greens, spring mix and baby spinach. Do about this much. Mixed greens. I did 3 bananas. I'm going to take 3 fresh bananas. Put those in here. Shake it. Getting 3 kiwi. Put those babies in there. Pear is getting pretty full, so I'm gonna dice in the pear. I can use the rest, the remaining, for tomorrow's. We're gonna smush that in there, so I still have a little pear left. Okay, add these, and it's already starting to change. We're gonna add our green apple in there over the pear. Add a few pieces of the green apple. It's pretty full in here, so just gonna press it down. Okay, so here's what we're looking like so far. We have our 50-50 blend, bananas, kiwi, pear, and apples. There we go. And pure coconut water. And we're gonna pour that. I usually pour till I can start seeing it on the bottom. Blender part on. We're pretty full here. We're pretty full here and ready to blend. What I love about the NutriBullet is it's a quick and easy blend. I like my smoothies kind of thick. You can always take it off and shake it. It has like a slight jiggle. I don't like my smoothies real runnery. You can also see if there's pieces that's still chunky. That'll let you know you need to go a little more. First smoothie is going to be breakfast. Let's get my breakfast smoothie. Let's see. Yeah, I like my smoothies nice and thick, but check out, well blended. That's why I love the NutriBullet. Okay, and I'll save the rest of this. This will be my dinner smoothie. It's about half. Absolutely delicious. And the coconut water just adds to it. If you don't believe me, we're going to ask my son. Remember you used to eat these when you was a baby? You like it?
Yay!
What does it taste like? No, for real, do you like it?
I taste like bananas.
Yeah, we got banana, spinach, we got kiwi. Remember we bought kiwi?
Yeah.
Mom,
that was tasty. That tastes good.
try it, and if you like it, let me know how it works for you. If you have other things that you mix in your smoothies, please share the information below in the comment box so we can try it. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.